You always hear things like this is the next 1000x, this is the next 100x, this is the next meme coin that's going to run, but no one ever tells you how do you actually find these hidden gems. Well, in today's video, that is exactly what we are going to do. We're going to be talking about how you could go about finding some of these low market cap plays before they actually reach the audience that it's intended to. Listen, guys, it's all about getting in early into these projects. Your entry and your exit matter so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little trick that I use in order to find some of these projects very early. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day here on this channel. So if you're new, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like this video. When you subscribe, guys, at 20,000 subscribers, we are giving away $2,000 US. So hey, that might be some incentive for you guys to join the channel. With that being said, though, let's get right into today's video. Now, a lot of you guys, if you're watching this, if you're new to crypto, you already know about altcoins, you know about meme coins, guys. And for a lot of you, the first time you ever bought a crypto may have just been through word of mouth, or you've just seen it blowing up on YouTube, social media, whatever it may be. If you are a little bit more degenerate and you kind of got into meme coins, the reason that you buy into a meme coin is probably because a celebrity was talking about it. You heard about Shiba Inu because there was so much hype. You heard about it through you heard about Dogecoin through Elon Musk. And if you're around this cycle, right, you know about something called Chill Guy, you got Rismus, you got meme coins that were coming out with trends that kept happening throughout, I guess, society, right? You had that 6-7 token that came out, which, by the way, ran to like a $20 million market cap. So one of the ways that you could actually get meme coins or get into these projects very early is by keeping up to date with pop culture, right? Popular culture, what is going on in this world right now. If you're able to stay up to date with what's going on, and unfortunately, guys, even sometimes when horrific events happen, some people like to use that as a way to make a token to ride hype, which I think is crazy, by the way, to make money off something like that. But that is what people do when there's events that happen, when there's popular news, guys, that everyone is aware of, when there's memes that are trending worldwide. Those usually get tokenized, they get made into some type of meme, and you need to keep your eyes out for stuff like that. They're not going to show up. I'll be honest, they're not going to show up on something like CoinMarketCap. They're going to be in somewhere known as Dex Screener, okay? Those projects that launch either on Solana, right? You navigate through here, or you go to BNB, or you go to Ethereum, or you go to Base. Those are really the only 4 chains that you should be focusing on, and it's so easy to launch on Base and Solana, okay? Those are the 2 easiest ones to really launch on, and one thing that I wanted to focus on this video is that there is a new endeavor that I really want you guys to hear out on this video. It is called the Base Meme Verse. Now, these guys are literally simplifying how early you could get into projects. They're kind of doing the hard work for you guys by actually having a platform where new projects are able to deploy. They're building the largest meme-driven ecosystem on the Base chain, a unified network of community-first projects inspired by the culture and the creativity of Matt Fury-style meme coins. Base Memeverse, it's known as BMV, is not a single token, it's an entire ecosystem. Every official project is listed transparently on this website. Together, we're building something bigger. It's a unified ecosystem, full transparency, and their urge is to grow together. Now, as of right now, they only have one project out right now, and this is the new home for next-gen meme culture. It's lightning fast, there's low fees, again, is built on layer 2 based technology, meme culture, guys. Now, what is the one project that's out right now? Well, this is the first one that they've actually released. So if you go over here and you click view official projects, there's literally only one project that's out right now. So this kind of initiative is very, very new, and you can see at the top, any token claiming to be a part of the BMV that is not listed on this website is a scam. Always verify here first, guys. And if you go over, you can go over to their website right now, guys, Grump Rock, which I do have pulled up here. This is their first ever project that they've come out with, and fellas, this project is super, super early, sitting at $20,000 market cap. Guys, listen, there is definitely something here, okay? This just streamlines finding projects, and it makes it so much easier for you guys to hit those winning plays. Now, besides this, guys, there's other ways to go about doing this, right? Like, for example, go into Ape Store, which again is another, it's very similar to Pump Fund. It's where you could deploy cryptos very, very easily, and then they have to go through like this graduation process. So you can see here, right? They also have that. You can see something like Nala over here sitting at $16,000 market cap. Very easy to go ahead and launch your own token, guys. And it's very easy to go ahead and buy tokens on here as well. You see something like Maxi, right? $262,000 market cap. All you really have to do is connect your wallet, and then you could buy within this within the application itself. Sometimes right? You need to wait for them to merge, right? Before they get listed on something like Dex Screener, right? This is Dex Screener for them to what's it called? For them to graduate and get listed onto DexScreener, they have to hit a certain market cap. So the more people that buy within the Ape Store or something like Pump Fund, as the market cap that goes up, they eventually graduate into being available on a publicly traded decentralized exchange. That's the cool part about something like this. Now, this, in my opinion, you need to have the right filters. You need to know the right people, guys. You need to make sure everything checks off, guys. And honestly, 97% of the time, you're probably going to still get into a terrible project, right? That's just how this thing goes. You never want to ape more than you're able to or comfortable with losing, guys, because gambling on the Ape Store is very, very risky, okay? Keep that in mind. It's kind of the same concept with Pump Fund. If you guys know about Pump Fund, Pump Fund is just the same thing as Ape Store, but for a Solana meme coins. And you guys can see here, trending projects are over on here. They also added live streams as well, guys. So people attach a live stream to their token, and you could find it runners on here as well. But what I'm saying is, in order to streamline things, in order to kind of have things fall into place a little bit easier, that kind of saves you guys from doing a lot of the hard work, is why not trust something like this Base Memeverse. I have a link down below in the description for you guys to kind of check out this initiative, right? I think it's super cool. And honestly, guys, if you want to know exactly what projects I get into, what projects I buy, what projects I sell, when I make moves in the market, you want to check out the Meme Coin Master. This is my private Discord where you get access to all of that. And it doesn't just stop there. You also get to be a part of an active trading community of investors who are all after the same exact goal that you are. Listen, I don't want you guys to miss out on it. So click the link down below for Meme Coin Mastery, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. And yeah, peace out, y'all.